Here is the wake up light with white noise maker, and this mesh part up front is where the sound comes out, and you can see it has a clock on it. And then if you go up top, there is a button that puts it into snooze mode, or you can turn it off through it. Also, there's brightness controls on the side. So you turn it on, and then we have brightness controls right here. And all you do is tap it. And also volume controls on this side. This one is also smart, so it's hooked up to my Google Home, so I can say, "Hey Google, turn light blue." And you can see it instantly is connected to my Google, and I can say, "Hey Google, turn light off." And everything shuts off.